we concluded the data integration part. We concluded the adding of business logic on top of that integration model. Only thing that is left to do now is to deploy all that code into our Snowflake runtime environment. And to do that, we first need to generate the code based on the actual work that we did in VaultSpeed. So let's go to the code generation screen, where we can first select the data vault release, business vault release, for which we want to generate code. You can choose for which layer you actually want to generate the code. We want to do everything in this case. And then there's multiple options for your, let's say, ETL generation type. You could choose for plain Snowflake SQL, which is deployed in the form of stored procedures, but there's also the option to generate code for dbt Snowflake, Matillion Snowflake, or Talon Shop script. So let's choose the Snowflake SQL option in this case. VaultSpeed is a tool that not only is able to generate all the data definition language for your data models, it also generates the transformation code to load the data all the way from your source to your targets. So automated data transformation can do both of those things for you. There's many tools on the market that do typically only one of these. VaultSpeed combines those two in one single product. Now, that will start a few tasks in our task queue, and we can wait for those to finish before we go on to the next part, where we actually deploy the generated code into the Snowflake runtime. There we go, all our tasks are completed. So now we can move on to the automatic deployment screen. And here you see all the generated code artifacts that VaultSpeed has just built for you. For example, here are the data definition language files that have been generated. Only thing we need to do is deploy them into Snowflake using a database link or through my Git repository. In this case, I'm going to go for the database link. Hit deploy, and again, a bunch of tasks will be started that actually deploy all that code into the Snowflake runtime.